Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. In this video, we are given f of 1 plus f of 2 up to f of n equals n squared f times f of 1 and f of 1 equals 2887, and we are going to find the value of f of 2886. In the first step, we can move f of 1 to right hand side, so the sign of this term changes. The term before of f of 1 is f of n minus 1, and we can write it. Now we can factor out f of 1 from these two terms, and we're going to get n squared minus 1 times f of 1. Now we want to replace n by n minus 1, so this term becomes f of n minus 2, and this term becomes n minus 1 all squared minus 1, and this term becomes f of n minus 1. Expand this expression, n minus 1 all squared equals n squared minus 2 times n plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 is going to cancel out. Now we can add both sides of this equation with f of n minus 1. So this equation becomes this expression, and we can factor out f of n minus 1 from these two terms, and we're going to get n squared minus 2 times n plus 1 times f of n minus 1. N squared minus 2 times n plus 1 is equal to n minus 1 all to the power 2. Look at these two equations. The one side of these two equations is same. So we can put n squared minus n times f of 1 equals n minus 1 all squared times f of n minus 1. We found a relation between f of n minus 1 and f of 1. N squared minus 1 equals to n minus 1 times n plus 1. We can divide both sides by n minus 1, and we're going to get n minus 1 times f of n minus 1 time equals n plus 1 times f of 1. Now we can put n equals 2, and from this equation we can write f of 1 equals 3 times f of 2. If we put n equals 3, 3 minus 1 equals 2, and f of 3 minus 1 equals f of 2, and n plus 1 equals 4, and f of n equals f of 3. Notice that we want to find the value of f of 2886. So we need to continue this process to n equals 2886. We can put n equals 4 up to 2886. If we multiply all these equations, you can see we have f of 2 on both sides, f of 3 on both sides, also f of 4 and f of 5 and f of 2885. So like terms on the both sides of our equations is going to cancel out, and we're going to get 1 times f of 1 times 2 times 3 times 2885 equals 3 times 4 times 5 up to 2887 times f of 2886. We know f of 1 equals 2000 and we know f of 1 equals 2887, so we can replace. In the next step, all same terms are going to cancel out, and on the left hand side only we get 2, and on the right hand side we get 2886 times f of 2886 by dividing 2 by 2886. The value of f of 2886 is equal to 2 over 2886, and then we can simplify this fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator of this fraction by 2, and we're going to get f of 2886 equals 1 over 1443.